Hi guys, I am Ankit. Welcome back to Arduino Platform IO series. This is third lecture. In this video we will learn about Arduino peripherals and code structures. Let's begin. First of all, dive into what is Tut by UNO Dev board. It's like a small robot brain. You can tell it to do things by writing simple instructions called code. It can make lights flash, motors spin, and even talk to other devices. Now next doubt is, what is peripherals? Peripherals are like the friends of your Arduino UNO. They are special devices that you can connect to it to make it do even more cool things. For examples, motors. These can help your Arduino UNO move things or make things spin. Sensors. These can help your Arduino UNO sense the world around it, like temperature, light, or sound. LEDs. These can help your Arduino UNO create colorful lights and patterns. Buttons. These can help your Arduino UNO respond to your touch or input. What is GPIOs? Imagine your Arduino UNO is a castle. The GPIOs are the doors and windows that let it talk to the outside world. Through these portals, your Arduino UNO can send messages to other devices or receive information from them. Input. When a device sends a message to your Arduino UNO, it's like someone knocking on the door. The GPIO receives the message. Output. When your Arduino UNO wants to send a message to another device, it's like opening a window and shouting. The GPIO sends the message. This is pinouts of our development board. Like this board, every module or boards have their own pinouts. In UNO, board pins are divided into two parts: digital and analog pins. Imagine a dial on a radio. When you turn it, the sound gets louder or softer. This is analog. The sound can be any level, like a smooth, continuous line. Now imagine a digital clock. It shows numbers in steps, like 1, 2, 3, 4. This is digital. The numbers are separate and can only be certain values.
This is include area, where you can include all necessary libraries. We will deeply explore in upcoming lecture. Let's difference between global and local includes. It's maybe ridiculous if I say both are similar, except optimization of code. If you need to include generic libraries like stdio.h, stint.h, use angle brackets. If you are going to call custom libraries, use quotes. Custom libraries are made by you, and generic libraries provided by compiler. Hashtag include. This is global library, so we use angle brackets.
You can see on screen, there is two blocks setup and loop. Let's learn this with example. Suppose you want to play game in your PC, then tell me what will be steps you need to follow. 1. Search that game into Google or their official website and download it. 2. Install downloaded file with the help of instructions. 3. Installation is finished. Now it's ready to play. This type of works written inside the void setup. Now anytime when you want to play, it will play without any further process. It means installation is one-time process. When it's done, now need again and again. This type of works written inside the void loop. Void setup. This function is for one-time process like initialization of any drivers or pins. Void loop. And this function is for repeat process like any work keep going. Thank you guys. In next lecture we will make LED blinking code. If you are new in our channel, please subscribe and hit the like button.